What's the difference between the wood? I
Uh,
saw some.
this one is the size of 25 and for the small size of 58. And then another one, actually they're making which 7, they also put more.
If I told you this was only gonna hurt, if I warned you that the fire's gonna burn, would you walk in? Would you let me do it first?